Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use interdental brushes. So if you've never seen an interdental brush, this is what it looks like. So it's a little wire with some bristles and a handle, and you use this to clean in between the teeth at the gum line. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to use it and then I'll give you some tips as well. So to use it, what you want to do is position the tip of the brush in between the gums, like this, in between the teeth, sorry, at the gum line, like this. And you go in and out, like that. You can also curve it around the teeth slightly, just to contour it. You don't want to go vigorously in and out, just really gently. They come in different sizes and shapes. So this one's the smallest one, and this one is like the largest size, which is quite big. But it's useful if you've got big gaps in between your teeth. If you've got really big gaps, or if you've got gum disease, you might need the bigger size brush. If you do have gum disease, you're probably quite familiar with these brushes already because it is a really important part of your home treatment. If you haven't got gum disease and you just want to maintain your smile, it's really important to clean in between your teeth. So interdental brushes are just one of the ways that you can clean in between the teeth. You also have different brands as well. So the one I showed you was the TP brushes, which is probably the most popular one, but there's loads of different brands on the market. So just find whichever one you prefer. I quite like this one from Curaprox because it's got this little ring handle which is quite ergonomic to hold, and quite a few of them do have little covers as well, so you can just put a little cover on it to keep it hygienic, and you can also take these out and about with you. At the back of the mouth, sometimes it's quite hard to get a brush at the back, because if the brush is just a straight line like this, it's going to be really difficult for you to kind of like angle it into the mouth. So you can actually just press the handle gently and it will just make a little angle, and that will make it a lot easier for you to get at the back like that. Okay. So you need to make sure you're choosing the right size brush as well, so that's really important. If you're unsure which size to use, just make sure you see a dentist or hygienist and they'll be able to advise you. So if you have got really tight spaces in between the teeth, you'll want to use a very small brush. And if you've got big gaps between your teeth, then you'll need to use a bigger size. So what you don't want to do is try to force a big brush into like a tight space. If you do that, it could cause trauma to your gums and it can be quite uncomfortable. And also, you don't want to use too small a brush if the gap is big. So if you're using a brush and it doesn't, you can't feel it touching the teeth, then it's too small. So you actually want it to touch the sides of the teeth so that you've got a little bit of resistance, so that it's actually sweeping the plaque from the sides of the teeth. Now when you remove the interdental brush, you will see that there's plaque on the little bristles. Doesn't smell very nice. But that just shows you how effective it is at removing the plaque. So you can rinse that under the tap and then just use it in a different area of the mouth. So you may need to use different sizes in different areas of the mouth. So you may have to use 3 or 4 sizes in your mouth. You can reuse these, so just give them a little rinse and then you can use it again. You probably need to change these every week. Normally they do come in packs of 6 or 8, something like that. There's loads of different interdental brushes on the market, so just find one which you like. So if the handle's comfortable for you, if you find it easy to use, you're going to be more likely to use it. If you've got any comments or questions, just leave them below and I'll try my best to answer them. I hope you found this useful and informative, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!